Hi guys, and welcome to this week's video tutorial of basic Midgame Tactics. This will mark the first video of section 2 of chapter 9, which will be dealing with sacrificing material to checkmate. Now, in Xiangqi, because of the relative space and the speed of the pieces, the mobility of the pieces, it is very common to sacrifice material to deliver a checkmate, as will be seen in the videos in this section. If you have not read the lecture notes that I've typed out in the earlier parts of the video, please feel free to do so. So, a quick analysis of the situation at this point in time. It will be Black's turn to move in this example. At this point in time, the red chariot was delivering a fork threatening to capture either the black cannon or the black horse. Material-wise, both colors will have two chariot, one horse, one cannon. Two chariots, one horse, one cannon. Both would have a full guard. So you will Black's turn to move. Now, faced with the thought or the possibility of losing material, Red decided to sacrifice material and play h3+2. This was an ambush. Ambush by Black. Now, with this move, let's say, for example, Red made any other move. Black was prepared to play r4+9 to deliver a check. Check. Okay, so it goes to 4. Checkmate. Okay, so this was what Black had in mind. So how did Red reply? Of course, he would not dare to capture the cannon. Instead, he made this move, r9 equals to 4, so that it will prevent Black's final r equals to 6 checkmate move, as mentioned earlier. And Red was also prepared to ambush, to attack with r6. Sorry, this was also an attempt by Red to try to deliver a checkmate, but unfortunately, Red was not alert enough to Black's another possible kill. So how did Black attack? He went for the throat with r equals to 5, which was a brilliant move. a6+5. Now, if let's say the cannon captured, check. No matter where the king moved, for example, checkmate. So let's say Red make this move. Of course, for beginners, if Red made this move, Black would checkmate immediately. So a6+5. Now the cannon will join in action. The positioning of the horse was simply too good. It would prevent the elephant from moving to the edge file. Now Red cannot move the elephant either, otherwise it would be an immediate checkmate. So Red can only retreat his advisor, whereby Black will continue to deliver a check, checkmate. So in this situation, both colors were at it, but Black was able to draw first blood by offering a sacrifice of material. So a short recap: threatening to gain material, sacrifice, threatening to checkmate. For example, let's say that, threatening to checkmate. 1, 2, check. The king cannot move here, and it will be a horse cannon checkmate. Oh, horse chariot checkmate, sorry. So Red tries to prevent the last move, but in doing so, Black would suddenly would pull out a brilliant shot by sacrificing the chariot. Again, this cannot be done, or this will be a checkmate. Neither Whether can this be done, or this would be a checkmate also. So in the book, a4 plus 5, about a6 plus 5, sorry, check, and again the elephant cannot move, or this would be immediate checkmate. Alpha plus 9, check, check, another check, and checkmate. So I hope you enjoyed this short video. This is a very nice kill, but I think the take-home message would be that in Xiangqi, if there is the possibility of sacrificing to deliver a check, never give up, but you would have to calculate your moves very accurately and thoroughly. So thank you, and if you like the work that I've been doing, please do subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up.